Hello everybody, Hydrogen Engine 22 back here again, and today we got a package here again, and yeah, let's do the unboxing. It's the one, the very only Splatter. Oh, I finally have him. And he kind of like having some different things on him. The wheels were replaced. He doesn't have these type of wheels. Here is my custom Splatter, which I don't really like him. Yeah, I can actually swap the wheels with him, but yeah, this is my custom Splatter, which I don't need to use him anymore. Yeah, and I realized that this Splatter doesn't have his nameplate beside here, but this side has his nameplate. Yeah, but overall, this Splatter is really good condition. Here's the face. Oh man, you know, these old Tomy diesel engines, they have that scratch on their nose. Here is Dodge, my main Dodge, which I like him, which I really love him. And now he's reunited with his brother now. This is really cool. So yeah, I finally got an official Splatter with a different wheel and a missing nameplate, but yeah, that's okay. Let's put a battery on him. This thing is so fast. I'm so happy to see it. It goes so fast. By the way, this is the same seller that I bought my Ryan, and you guys probably know from the Ryan unboxing that the seller replaced the motor, and so that's what he did. Splatter is literally going so fast. So yeah, this is really cool, you guys. Let me get my their coach here. Let me couple them up. They're in full set now. It looks so nice. Sheesh. So now let's give them a test run. So here we have Splatter in a small curved track, and yeah, let's give him a run. Now let's give Dodge a run. Dodge still has his original motor, so this is his speed he can go. They look so nice together, not gonna lie. Oh, derailed. So yeah, that is the unboxing of Tomy Splatter. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm so happy to finally own an official Tomy Splatter. And not gonna use this custom anymore. I'll probably turn this one into something else, but I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. It goes on and on and on.